this is also one of the important bit. I told at the back side, Robert Boyle explained the properties of acids. Now, what are the total properties of acids? Now I am explaining with a detailed properties of acids which were explained by Robert Boyle. So what are the main properties of acids? The first property already I told at the back side, acids are sour in taste. Acids are sour in taste. And the second one, acids turn blue litmus into red litmus. Next, third, acids have replaceable hydrogen. And the fourth one, acids give or acids produce H plus ions in aqueous solution. Next, aqueous solution of acids conduct electricity. Aqueous solution of acids conduct electricity. Acids turn into red color when methyl orange is added. So when a drop of methyl orange is added to any acid, they turn into red color. Next, acids have no change when phenolphthalein is added. So up to this we learnt at back side, and these are the some of the access points which were given by Robert Boyle. So once again, the properties of acids are explained by Robert Boyle. So what Robert Boyle explained is, acids are sour in taste, acids turn blue litmus into red litmus, acids have replaceable hydrogen, and the acids produce H plus ions in aqueous solution. Aqueous solution of acids conduct electricity. Acids turn into red color when methyl orange is added. When phenolphthalein is added, acids have no change. That means the color of acids or the color of phenolphthalein cannot be changed when acids are added to phenolphthalein solution. These are the different properties of acids. Now we are going to learn about strength of acids or the order of acids. Generally students, you know, sulfuric acid is the strong acid which is called king of chemicals. But above that, there is one powerful acid which is called HClO4. So the highest or the order of strength of acids. So what is the order of strength of acids? Now I am going to explain the order of strength of acid. The highest strength is HClO4. After that we will get H2SO4. After that we get HCl. After that we get HNO3. And finally we get acetic acid. So based on this order, we say acetic acid is the weak acid and HClO4 is the strong acid. This is the order of strength of acids. After this, we have uses of acids. In our daily life, we use acids in so many cases. The first one is many acids are used as food material. So we are taking some of the acids as food. For example, lemons are there. Lemon or oranges we took. So in the form of lemons or oranges, we took citric acid. So there is a bit which acid is present in lemon or oranges means we have to write citric acid. Next, tomato. In tomato, which acid is present? Oxalic acid is present. So we are taking oxalic acid by eating tomato. Next, grapes are there. In grapes, tartaric acid is present. So which acid is present in grapes means tartaric acid is present. Next, apples are there. In apple or by eating apples, we get malic acid. So which acid we get? Malic acid in the form of vinegar. We took acetic acid. So in the form of food, we took these kind of acids. Lemon or oranges contains citric acid, tomato contains oxalic acid, grapes contains tartaric acid, apples contains malic acid, vinegar contains acetic acid, and also in soda. So or in soda water or cool drink, any cool drink, thumbs up or Sprite, whatever may be, in this carbonic acid is present. So while we drink soda water or cool drink, in this case also we get one acid which is called carbonic acid. In fats, means dalda or fat, we get stearic acid. Next, in case of sour milk, in milk we get lactic acid. So by the drink of milk also we get one acid which is called lactic acid. So these are the, in case of butter, all you know, we eat butter. In butter also one kind of acid is present which is called butyric acid. So these are all some of the substances which we use as a food. That means by eating also we get these kind of acids, and this is the first use of acid. And the second use, HCl, hydrochloric acid. It is used in digestion of food. So the food which we eat is digested with the help of HCl only, and this HCl is also used in bathroom cleaner in our houses. So here he asked this bit at one time in competitive exams. In bathroom cleaners, which acid is used? HCl or hydrochloric acid is used. And the third one, nitric acid, HNO3 or nitric acid is used in preparation of aqua regia. So which acid is used in preparation of aqua regia? Aqua regia is the combination of is the combination of two acids which are called 1:3 ratio of HNO3 and concentrated HCl. So aqua regia is the combination of nitric acid and hydrochloric acid. One portion is HNO3 and 3 parts are taken as concentrated HCl. This aqua regia is used in purification of gold and silver ornaments. So here we got 3 bits. First bit, which acid is used in aqua regia? Nitric acid. What is the use of aqua regia? In purification of gold and silver ornaments, we use a liquid which is called aqua regia. In aqua regia, how many acids are present? 2 acids, nitric acid and hydrochloric acid, in the ratio of 1:3. Next acid is oxalic acid. Oxalic acid is used to remove rust part or rust spot on our clothes. So this is one of the important bit. Which acid is used to remove rust spot on our clothes? Nothing but oxalic acid. Next, fifth one, boric acid is there. Boric acid is used as antiseptic. Used as antiseptic, or it is one of the constituent of eye wash. So mainly boric acid is used as antiseptic. And here sixth one is there, which acid is present in red ants? So whenever red ant bites our body, formic acid enters into our body, or simply formic acid is present in red ants. That means whenever red ant bite a person, which acid enters into his body means formic acid enters into his body. These are about and most important is sulfuric acid is there, H2SO4. So sulfuric acid is used in storage batteries. That means storage batteries for recharging purpose. So sulfuric acid is used in storage batteries, and otherwise it is also used in the preparation of HCl. So to prepare hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid is also used. And the most important bit in this topic is dash acid is called king of chemicals. So which acid is called king of chemicals means sulfuric acid, or sulfuric acid is also called king of chemicals. Otherwise there is another name for this which is called oil of vitriol. So sulfuric acid has two names, which is called king of chemicals or oil of vitriol. This is about acids, preparation and uses. Also I told bases, preparation, and I will explain the properties of bases in the next class and also uses.